Remember last night in the bedroom?
Yes, when you held me close?
And I whispered how much I love you.
I love that. It was so sweet.
Tired, my love?
A little. Let's go to bed.
Good night, beautiful.
Good night. Sweet dreams. I got these for you.
They're beautiful. Thank you.
Let's go inside.
I love you.
I love you too.
Ready for the football ground?
Yes, let's go.
Race you there!
You're on.
Keep going, almost there!
This is so fun.
These are for you.
Oh, they're beautiful. Thank you.
Just like you.
I love them. And you?
Hey, you're smiling.
Because I'm with you.
I like that.
Me too.
Ready for an adventure? Yes, let's go! Look at this valley. Isn't it amazing?
It's breathtaking. Thank you for bringing me here.
Of course.
Come to me, I will show you the sun.
Really? Where is it?
Just follow me.
Okay, lead the way.
This will be amazing.
Look, up there!
What is it?
The sun. It's shining so brightly.
It's beautiful.
Just like you.
Should be scared. We're F4.
F4 more like bullies.
Exactly. And you're next.
I'm not scared of you.
You will be.
Try me.
Okay, let's go to the river.
It's beautiful here. I love you.
I love you too.
Let me carry you.
Okay, but be careful.
Ready? Up we go!
Wow, the trees are so pretty.
Glad you're enjoying it.
Let's go to the river.
Okay, let's go.
Look, the river falls.
Wow, they're so powerful.
Beautiful.
Wow, look at that view.
It's incredible. So peaceful.
Let's stay here a while.
I'd love that.
Let's sit over there. Okay. It's so peaceful.
Look, so many birds.
They're flying together. Hey! Leave her alone.
Oppa, they're scaring me.
Back off, now. It's okay. I've got you.
Thank you, Oppa.
Hey, are you okay?
I slipped. It hurts.
Here, let me help you up.
Thank you so much.
Whoa, you okay?
I love you so much.
I love you too.
You look beautiful. I love you so much.
Thank you, you're so sweet.
And I love you so much.
I love you.
Ready to go?
Yes, with you.
Let's walk slowly.
It's peaceful here.
Just us.
I like this.
Let me carry you.
Okay, but be careful.
Ready? Up we go!
Wow, the trees are so pretty.
Glad you're enjoying it.
Let's get out of here.
Okay, let's go to the river.
It's beautiful here. I love you.
I love you too.